For some types of documents, you may need to add line numbers. If you want to format those line numbers, you can do so by simply changing the style used to display them, as you learn in this quick tip. In a different video, I showed you how easy it is to add line numbers to your document. In fact, I'll include a link in the upper right corner of this video and in the description area that links to that other video. You can see that I have a document on the screen that already includes line numbers. After you add your line numbers, you may wonder how to change the formatting of those numbers. Word makes it quite simple by relying on styles. If you want to change how the line numbers look, go ahead and on the Home tab of the ribbon, click this little icon at the bottom of the Styles group. That displays the Styles task pane at the right side of the screen. Down at the bottom, click on Options, and then use this drop-down list to say that you want to look at all styles. When you click on OK, we want to scroll through the list of styles until we get all the way down to the one that says line number. That's the one that's right down here. Now I'm just going to hover over this. I'm not going to click on it. But as I hover over it, it makes a down arrow available at the right side of that style. I'm going to click on that down arrow. And when I do, I can see that there's options and I want to choose Modify. That displays the Modify Style dialog box. Using the controls in this dialog box, I can change how I want those line numbers to be formatted. So for instance, you can see at the left side of the screen here that the line numbers just look like regular text. Let's say that I want them to be bold and italic. All I would have to do is click on the B for bold, the I for italic, and when I click on OK, notice that the line numbers now are bold and italic because I've changed the style that dictates how those characters should look, how those line numbers should look. And that's it. That's how you change how those line numbers look in your document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, be sure to share it with somebody who may benefit from this information. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.